Hi friends, I'm back again with another winter craft. In this one we have a Santa that you're going to color and you'll have to cut out, and you're going to need your paper bag, and it's going to turn into a puppet, a Santa puppet. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and color my pieces and then I will be back. Okay, so I got my Santa colored. So now I got to use my scissors and once again put the thumb in the little hole and the 3 fingers or 2 fingers, whatever is comfortable. And you got to keep your scissors straight ahead. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out my Santa, and then I will be back to show you what to do next. Okay, so I have my pieces cut out. I have my bag. So what is going to go right here on the bottom part of the bag is going to be my Santa head. Okay, so let me go ahead and get my glue, and I'm going to put glue on the back of my Santa head. Okay, and make sure you kind of hold it down a little bit. So I've got that. So then you're going to open up the flap, and that's going to be where the mouth part goes. So here's his tongue and teeth. So the teeth, let's see if I can get them in there. The teeth part is going to go up here. And then I got to put the tongue part. Okay. Let me fix it. It's kind of a little messed up. It's a little bit tricky, friends, but we can do it. Hold on. There you go. Alright, so I have it all done like this, and then that's going to close, and then I have to put Santa's body on, and that's going to go underneath. Okay, so here's Santa, and he has his toy bag. So then you're going to open it up. Sorry friends, I put a staple in there so it could hold to the paper. So you put it on your hand, and you can play with your Santa puppet.
Ho, ho, ho! What do you want for Christmas, boys and girls?
So there's your Santa puppet. And then when it's closed, it's all like that. And then you can open up and see his teeth and mouth. Alright, friends. I hope you enjoy making your puppet over the winter holiday. Alright, bye-bye.